If your Aqua Ray cleaner is not covering the entire pool area, you may need to install the flow diverter to direct the water in a sideways direction. This tutorial will show you how to properly install the flow diverter into your Hayward return. To start, remove the Hayward eyeball by turning the lock ring counterclockwise. Once loosened, the lock ring and the eyeball will easily detach. Next, insert the diverter into the return. You can now slide the lock ring over the diverter and tighten it by turning the lock ring counterclockwise. It is important to make sure the diverter is turned in a sideways position and facing away from the skimmer opening. You have now successfully installed a Hayward Aqua Ray flow diverter. If you have any questions, please contact your local Great Escape store. We're always happy to help.